This is a simplification of the 11 labs text to speech. All you need to do is add the Python class, add a directory called sounds, and add a text file named API key 11 labs with your 11 labs API key inside this text file. This is the code, just 3 lines of code to use it. Okay.
How are you, sweetie?
Okay. It created the file so that next time you play it, you will not use a token. You will use the pre-existing file. This saves you money because you use less tokens. Any sentence you already used is already saved as an MP3. Okay, so now when I play it again,
how are you, sweetie?
It actually played this file instead of generating a new file from 11 labs. So eventually inside this folder you will have lots of recordings, and maybe you won't even need 11 labs anymore. I also simplified the cloning method and the voice code changing.
Hi, I'm Sarah Voice Now, Teehee.
Inside the file you have default voice codes, but there's also a cloning method. So what you would do, you would set it like this with this method, and you would give it the file names of samples of your desired voice actress. The last parameter is varargs, and then instead of using the play sound method, you would use this method instead. Currently I haven't registered for the professional 11 labs subscription, so I can't use it at the moment.
Hi, Hi, I am Sarah Voice Now, Lala.